How to fix Adobe After Effects preview not playing. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to fix Adobe After Effects preview not playing issue. If you're having this sort of issue, then you could follow a couple of different ways to fix it. So first thing first, what you could do is you could go. First thing first, you could go ahead and completely close the application. Then what you could do is go ahead and then locate the Adobe After Effects and right click on your mouse and go ahead and run as an administrator. Once you do it, so this should be able to fix it. Likewise, if this is not working out, next thing you could do is go ahead and open up your task manager. To open up your task manager, you just have to right click on your mouse at the bottom of the page and you should be able to see this detail section where you could go ahead and make changes with it. And at the same time, what else you could do is you could also go ahead and increase your memory. That means you could go ahead and clear the deleted files, or you could just go ahead and clear your memory. This should be able to fix the issue all at once. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.